Ready to turn those glowing Trustpilot reviews into a legendary machine for your Thrive Themes website? First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section. We are going to look for a Trustpilot plugin, so click Add New at the top. In the search bar, type in Trustpilot. Several options will appear, so look for a plugin specifically designed to integrate Trustpilot with WordPress, ideally one with good ratings and a decent number of installations. For this example, let's use the Trustpilot Reviews plugin. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin once it's finished installing. Now, find the Trustpilot settings, often located in the WordPress settings menu or as a separate item in the dashboard menu. You'll likely need to connect your Trustpilot account using your API key. You can find this on the Trustpilot business platform. Under Integrations, paste your API key into the designated field within the plugin settings and save your changes. With the plugin connected, return to your Thrive Themes page builder. You should now see newly available Trustpilot widgets or shortcode. Simply drag and drop these widgets onto your desired page sections to showcase your reviews. Customize the widget's appearance within the Thrive Themes editor to match your website's design. Experiment with different placement options, like near your call to action buttons, to maximize conversions and build trust with potential customers. Now go forth and watch your conversions skyrocket. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.